Real quick, I just want to start off by saying in this video, I actually just filmed it, but I just want to say I think we're pretty underrated, and we took kind of an L on this video, so if you guys want to make us more rated and doing cool things on YouTube, that'd be awesome. We wasted a lot of money and I need it back, so share it up, boys. Okay, back onto the video. Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Man, just want to start off by saying love you guys so much. I just always start off these videos saying that because, you know, you guys give me money and money is great. You know, YouTube will tell you that, but money's awesome. But more importantly, man, you guys just let me entertain people, hopefully daily almost, and that's so dope. So thank you guys so much for that. If you guys want to leave a comment down below, love reading those. Also, thumbs up, that'd be dope. And my Instagram's right here, boys. If you guys haven't followed me on there, I'm pretty active on my stories. Post some like dumb stuff I usually can't post to YouTube, so go hit it up, boys. Thank you guys so much. You rock. Also, real quick, this video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com. Another thing that makes us money, which means we can do more videos. You guys have been killing it. It's our website. Link is down below. What do we sell, brand? Well, we all know. We all know. I say it every video, but it helps, you know what I mean? We sell jewelry. That's like really cheap. And I think I pick out the best styles. I don't run the website myself, but I pick out everything that I think you guys would dig. Now with this website, here's two things you guys have been buying a lot. I think those are the most purchased right now. Everything's also free. All I ask you to do is pay shipping. So you could actually add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. Don't add 1 thing, add 2 things at checkout. I'll get your 2 things in the mail sometime. Also, we do have things that do cost a little money because I can't give them away for free necessarily. They are a little expensive. So you can actually add something that costs money, but also something to your cart that doesn't cost money, free at the same thing, and you get a free piece. Do that. NameBranFam.com. Thank you. Money, 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 money. I'm just kidding. I was just looking on eBay at something I really want. Some money's on the mind. So really just trying to get it out to you guys. Let's get money for this video because I just spent a lot on what we're unboxing. I think it's gonna suck. I just rewatched that clip. You know, you guys never tell me. I'm just thinking about this. Brad, maybe sometimes you're a little too honest. You know what I mean? I just watch and now they talk money the whole time. I think it's great. I love honesty. I mean, people are gonna BS you. Anyway, sorry. We're doing it again. Let's get on to it. Ben Baller, episode 2 of the series. Oh, Bran, what was episode 1? Well, kids, episode 1 was when we actually went shopping on Ben Baller, the really, really famous jeweler. If you guys don't know who he is, let's pretend that we actually care about this video for a second. I'm sitting here up with my legs crossed. I got freaking Lululemon pants, whatever these. Victoria's Secret, my girls. They're comfy though. Anyway, well-known jeweler. We went shopping on the website, the first video that we made, and said I'd pick something out. Now, this is coming to part 2 where we unboxed it too long later. It literally took me a month to really think about this, thinking like, do I really want to purchase off this website? Because everything is so expensive. You could get any number of these things from other websites and pay like half the price, but because it's Ben Baller's website, you're paying crazy amounts. But I then came to the conclusion that I promised the boys I'd do it. So we're gonna take a mad loss in this video. We just spent freaking $400 on what we purchased. Then with shipping, it was $469. Once I saw the 69 there, I was like, damn, it's meant to be. Package from Ben Baller. What I will ask one more time, man, if you guys just want to give this video a big like, because $469 American, and that's not even Canadian, bro. I ain't making my money back on this video probably, but I gotta do it. Ah, God, I hated that noise. Ian's also doing a test down there or something like that. I'm not sure what he's doing, but he gets mad when I yell, so maybe let's not yell. Wow, jaws of life on that thing, that was nuts. So, I will say, man, I did purchase one of the cheapest things I could find on the website. Once again, $2,000 spent on a video is not worth it. Unless it's a really dope video, it's not worth it. And we got a bag inside a box, I just realized, which like, oh, you get pissed. I don't know why I get pissed at that. Why put a bag in the box, bro? Doesn't matter. Why are you mad? It just wastes time throwing boxes. So, what I will say off the bat, oh yeah, it comes in a box. Sick! Okay, this is good. If it comes in a cool box, it's good for the thumbnail. I might do something like that, something like that, something like that, you know, shocker, it's whatever. This is cool. This is very cool. So, I have been looking forward to this. Oh, nice! Oh, wow. I have been looking forward to this. Now, like I say, the pieces of that dope, but I think it's kind of cool to experience buying something from a real reputable jeweler and see what they do about it. And this case right here, buddy, I'm gonna tell you right now, this case, it's squishy. Like, it's like memory foam. Memory foam for your balls, maybe. It's not big enough for your face. You can rest your nuts on this, beautiful. It's like a little bed for your ball sack. Now, oh, we got the light. Oh my God, how do I show? Oh, let's go. No, I don't need that. Is that it? What the f? I can't be swearing. What the f? You can't even see it on the camera, bro. I told you guys it's not the best unboxing, it's for the experience, and also we're gonna weigh this thing out and how much gold actually costs and see how much I actually overpaid for this. This is supposed to be a necklace! We have balls of 14 karat gold, 14K, I guess that's cool. This is ridiculous. I did it again. I did it again. What I did, no, I went on the website, found the cheapest thing, and obviously I found, what is this, like 15 inches, 16 inches? Usually 20 is the lowest it'll go. This won't even fit around my neck, bro. I think this would be a really, really cool piece. And the reason I bought this too is because I actually wanted to wear it. I think it's really cool having sometimes like subtle gold things around your neck if they're 24 inches and not freaking 15 or whatever this is. Man, the only thing this is fitting around is my wiener. 30,000 times. This is not gonna fit around my neck. Let's try it on. The one thing I do want to look at too, which they don't have. I'm already looking. Yeah, they got the 14K stamp. Of course, there's no Ben Baller stamp. So people see this, yeah, you got it off eBay for $100. It ain't from Ben Baller, bro. I gotta bring this around to prove it to everyone that I got my chain from Ben Baller, and that's something we don't dig. Sorry, I'm kind of freaking annoyed right now because I knew I overspent on this for the video, but I really did want to wear this. Who has a 1mm, 0.5 millimeter, whatever this is, choker chain, bro? Yeah, I got real gold on my neck now. What an embarrassing statement wearing this, man. Look at this. I look like a vagina. I look like a vagina for $469 American. I'm Canadian. Look, I've already got choke marks. This is bad. This sucks. Boys, it's not worth it. I'm just gonna say right now, Ben Baller, if you're watching this video, everything I'm saying is a complete joke. I actually love it to death, and if you want to decide something a little bit better than this for a video, I totally respect it. If he doesn't watch this video, Ben Baller's frick. The packaging is better than the product, and that's what you can't be doing. There it is. You know what? We're gonna take out the scale right now. I'm pretty experienced with these things. Bran dabbles in some other ventures sometimes. Oh, Bran, we know what that means. No, I freaking measure my chicken breast in grams so I can not get fat again. Okay, here's what we're gonna do, man. I have an app that calculates the weight of your gold that you have, put it in there, and it gives the gold price that it is right now. If you went to a gold shop, have one down the street, would go there. It's closed down due to the pandemic, but also a ban from there. So it's 0.1 of an ounce. It's 0.1 of an ounce. What a ripoff. What the f is that? That's ridiculous. I got a gram of gold in my room that I spent more money or less money on. All right, so let's go on the app right now. This is mainly, the purpose of this part is to see how much we actually got F'd in the A from Benjamin Baller himself. I'm calling him Benjamin Baller now. I feel like it's a little more disrespectful instead of his actual name. What's going on here? What was I listening to last night? That was some Star Wars stuff and a half. All right, you guys hear that? Apparently I fall asleep to weird things. All right, boys, so we're on the website called goldpriceswithaz.com. Sounds super professional. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in its grams, pure gold. It's not, unfortunately. We got a 14 karat piece. I don't have a lot of 14 karat stuff. I'm kind of stoked about that. Total weight in units. Oh, sorry, 0.1 of a gram. My bad, Jesus. You hit the calculate button and you guys are gonna see it first. What's it take? Oh my God! Oh my God! $4.65 worth of gold for $500, almost. Well, more than that Canadian. $4.65, you guys are getting effed. Yo, quick editing note, boys, I screwed up. I did grams instead of ounces, so it's actually that price Canadian, which is like, I don't know, $100 American. So disregard the freak out or whatever you're about to see right now. I haven't got to that point, but we're still gonna put it in. It's probably funny, you guys like when I get mad at stuff, but disregard it. I was wrong this time. It doesn't happen much, but sometimes it does. It happens all the time. Okay, back to the video. What the f is this? There's your chain, stupid. Look at I'm just gonna throw this out. I don't even, take your $4.60 whatever cents and shove it up your ass. That's ridiculous. We got 3 pieces of it now. What a lump of shit. Why did I smash that? I could have given that to my girlfriend. Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching, marking the game, the Gary Smalts. I knew it would be bad. I didn't know it would be that bad. I told you guys from the beginning, this is gonna be a bad unboxing. That sucks. Oh, we got a bag here. Oh, wait, no, there's the bag right here. That must cost, what, $100 with the inflation that they have? This is ridiculous. Yeah, Ben Baller. Once again, buddy, if you're watching, everything I'm saying is a complete joke. If you're not watching, suck it. Appreciate y'all for watching Merc of the Game, the greatest of all time. If you guys want to do me the hugest favor right now, and thumbs up this video and comment down below. It might get it shared a little more so we can make a little bit of money back on this video, because I definitely thought this would be at least $100 in gold. Apparently not. You can't even, I'm just gonna chuck that somewhere and I don't care. Appreciate y'all, blow. Oh, sorry, not that, blow. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of wish I didn't throw that away. I thought this would be like kind of cool in like a little mini jar. It's like a mini jar of gold and I'm missing a good chunk of it. Okay. If you guys pause the video and see where that went, then tell me down below, because I can't find it anywhere. And when you come upstairs next, if you see like a small amount of gold that might have looked like a chain that I snapped and threw, and you find it, let me know, eh?
Okay.
Alright. Nice. Keep your eye out, thank you. Doesn't even question it. He's like, alright, okay. I'm kind of peeved now, I wanted that. Okay, bye.